We're back to the kitchen one more time before we start detailing it out. I put a countertop on here, an L-shaped countertop with a hole in it for the sink. Put a short piece of countertop over here. I'm going to place a sink. So you will have to go to the insert, load family, go to the casework, go to the countertops, and I used the let's see, the L shape with just a hole, L shape with sink hole. Then I used a different sink. So L shaped with sink hole, if we open that and we go and put it in, so it's under base cabinets, we should have a countertop. That's an L shape with sink hole that's 24 inches deep. If you drag it out here, it doesn't match the layout that we have. It's the L runs, the leg of the L's on the wrong side. So that's kind of easy to fix. You just slide it over here, you go up and you use your mirror command. And we're going to touch this edge over here. Push escape twice, delete the first one, and now we've got it. So we can take this and slide it into the corner. We can grab the end of the cupboard or countertop and pull it out there. And this is the length of the countertop leg. We can place that there. We can take this hole. I'm going to pull it over here for now, and we can adjust it a little bit later, but we'll be pretty close right there. So we've got our hole for our countertop place. Now, when I touch this elevation tag, note that the line here goes right through here. So when I double click on this, I get the cutout here. That's what's happening. It's cutting, it's looking at everything through the middle of the cabinet at that line. So if I go back to first floor, what I'm usually going to do is grab that, pull it back here. So I can watch that same thing here. It's chopping it here. Maybe that's fine. We'll see what that looks like. But you have control over that. If I wanted it to look at it from here in front of the refrigerator, I mean the oven, the stove, or from behind, I could move this. It's going to change a little bit what you look at. Alright, a straight countertop. Insert, load family, again casework, countertops, and just get a countertop. Let's see, not L shape, countertop, not the island. I just want countertop right up there. It's hard to see. It's right 3 down from the top. So it's going to place it over here. There's the countertop. I can pull it out. It's going to be a lot longer than I need it. It only needs to be 18 inches long. I can put a dimension on it, but I'm just going to slide it down there like that. Rotate it from here to here. Slide it in. Line it up. It has to go in just a little bit further. I'm using the arrow key just to nudge it in. We're going to put a sink in, so insert, load family, if that's under plumbing, I believe, MEP, fixtures, sinks, and I'm going to use the kitchen double. And so if I come down here, it's going to be in plumbing. Let's see, plumbing, sink, and it's a 42-inch sink, both of these. Our sink base is only 36 inches, so I'm going to grab this sink kitchen double, 4221. I'm going to bring it out here. Push escape twice. I'm going to select it. I'm going to edit type, and I'm going to rename this to a 36. 21 and change its width to no, it was 36. I need if it was 41. I already changed this one. It was a 41, so I pulled this in. I didn't change the name, so that would have been a 42-inch measurement. So 36 inches, and I can just kind of pull this in, and I'm lining it up with the front of the hole, kind of. And if I go here, I can pull that hole if I want to. Won't be critical. I can make sure it lines up with my sink. Actually, it would probably, yeah, that would work. We'd make it a 1/4 inch bigger all the way around, so that'd set in. Let's look at this. Backsplash, sink. Things are looking good. Doors are opening the way they should. I've got this window. There's enough space between the bottom of the windowsill. The backsplash, the window should not be down below the sink. There's my sink. Sometimes we take these, we have enough room. I set these at 3/8 of an inch equals a foot. Makes this text smaller. And since I'm in here, I'm on this elevation, I'm going to rename this as Kitchen Elevation 1. Let's see what that looks like. And this one's going to be renamed Elevation 2. Those names may be too long. I may have to come up with a way to shorten them. LEV would do that. So I could do K1 Elevation 1 and K Elevation 2 also. Nothing shows up on these tags until you put them on a sheet set. When you put them on the sheet set, the names show up here. We will have to put some more information on those elevations. But basically we have the kitchen laid out.